your mind is moving slower than your body. Now is a moment of surrender. If your body goes for it, here's the rule that I would go with. Actually, in general, when you're learning right now, my guess is your mind is going to learn slower than your body. You learn quickly kinesthetically. As a result, I would keep going until you get hit and it hurts too much to keep going, or the poi tangle and mercilessly and you can't untangle, because there's a certain point in the learning process where the body moves faster than the linguistic mind can say all of the words that you've been hearing me say at the pace necessary to execute the move. And there's a certain point where you're repeating what you're hearing, but that's slowing you down. So, I guess, use the force. Let the force flow through you. I mean, kind of, you know? So I mean that, yeah.